Want to start a dropshipping business using Alibaba and sell on Shopee? In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect Alibaba with Shopee for smooth dropshipping, even without holding any inventory. So, let's get started. For the step 1, you need to set up a Shopee seller account. Go to the seller.shopee.com and then fill up and choose your country or region. Fill in the store name, contact info, and bank details for payouts. Complete identity verification and also upload the basic documents. And then here in the step 2 is all about find a dropshipping friendly supplier on Alibaba. Go to alibaba.com and search for the products to sell, filtered by a trade assurance, verified supplier, shipping to your country, and also you can ask for the supplier and ask to if do you support the drop shipping, can you offer blind shipping, what are the shipping times and methods. And then after that, list the products on Shopee. Use the supplier's product photos and description with permission. Upload a clear image, write a compelling title, bullet points, and pricing. And also set inventory and weight based on Alibaba info and set shipping fee based on actual cost. Then translate your local language if needed and adjust your market. Then fulfill the orders manually. When someone orders from your Shopee store, go to Alibaba. Order the products using customer's name and address, then choose a correct shipping method. Request no branding or invoice inside package. Then after that, you can track orders and handle customer support. Monitor the shipping status regularly and be responsive to buyers on Shopee. Handle returns and refunds based on the agreement with the suppliers. And then the bonus tip is use a drop shipping tool. You can also use a tool like Shopify plus Shopee or Dropify. It is a Philippine-based Shopee drop shipping tool. And that's it. That's how you can drop ship from Alibaba to Shopee step by step. Perfect for beginners with low capital. Just make sure that you support your local. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.